Said you love me till my heart decays. Guess my darling changed her mind. Talks my heart all night.
What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy. In today's video I'm going to check a very small tiny Bluetooth speaker. So this is from Elite Sound, and this is another random Chinese product, but I got this from Misho and the price was very nice. But I really like the small size and the looks of this thing. So quickly let's unbox this thing and check how it looks, and also the important thing, the sound. So let's open it up. So what you get inside, the speaker only, nothing else, no cable, and also you don't need cable. The cables supplied with this Chinese brands are not so good, so normally we use the mobile charger, the cable and all. So that's the speaker itself. You can see nice design and it's looking very beautiful. So that's the blue color, and this thing comes with different color shades, green, red, blue, black and all. So in that case, here you can see the blue mesh at the top, blue buttons, and at the back is a blue plastic cover, and the handle, this thing also blue. So in other colors, this colors will be changed, but the main body, the white color, it will be same like that, because this thing has full RGB lights. So that's why. And at the top you can see the mobile holder, which is nice, I like. So at the back, that's the USB port, TF card, and charging port, and the on-off switch, and at the top the push buttons to change the mode and volume up and down. So that's it. And at the front there is logo, the MZ, I don't know, okay, MZ, that's the brand name I guess. So let's turn this thing on and check the sound of it.
Welcome to MZ Music World, Bluetooth mode.
Wow. So here you can see the lights are coming from all the sides except the back. That's why they keep it white, semi-transparent kind of thing. You can see from all the sides, you can see the light, and also from the front. So now let me connect this into my mobile phone and check the sound.
Connected.
Okay, you'll find this thing in your mobile device, Bluetooth device like M408sp. That's the number Bluetooth chip or kind of thing like that. So now let's play a song and check it out.
I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing at all. I'm taking the moment, starting all over. I wanna be free. Life in a new galaxy.
So this tiny speaker is having good amount of bass. Well, I didn't expect that much from this tiny speaker. I don't know how much my camera mic could pick it up, but really the pressure is right there. I can feel it like touching the table, and by touching it, like it's kind of shaky how, you know, the beat. So the sound is very nice and also loud. And you have seen, by keeping the mobile right there, you can watch movies and all too. So that's a nice thing. Now let's check some more songs.
Fucking ways of time. Said you love me till my heart decays. Guess my darling changed her mind. Talks my heart online.
So literally the sound is very nice and very powerful too. Like I can feel that by touching the table right here, as I told you. So another thing is that there is another button to change the light mode, I think. So now let's see. So this is one mode, I guess. Now change to another. Okay, next. Okay, another. This is another mode. Okay, now the light is off. So you can see, if you don't like the light, like when you are watching movies and YouTube and all, by keeping the mobile right here, and you can easily turn off the light. Let me press that once again. And see, it's on again. Now by pressing the button, I can keep changing the light. So that's very nice thing I like about this one. You know, normally you don't get that much option to change the lights and all in this small budget Bluetooth speaker. Well, let me tell you the price. This thing cost me only around 200 from Misho. So this is a very nice one, and also the rating is good on that website. So I wanted to check it out, and really I like this thing. So if you want to buy this thing, you can go there. I'll leave the link in the description below, so you can go there and buy this thing and check it out. This is what to say, pocket friendly. You can easily keep it in your pocket too. So by holding that, you can take it anywhere. So you're going outside, like picnic or camping or something like that, you can carry this small tiny speaker, which have very good battery, and also the sound is nice. So that's it. That was the unboxing and testing video of this nice MZ Bluetooth speaker. I hope you are going to like the video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Part of your design, push me till I broke alone. No one heard my heart explode. It's a suicide dive, just knowing you die and question everything you know. Setting fire to the life we made, such a fucking waste of time.